Hi friends, we're going to learn about an octopus this week. An octopus is a really cool animal. They have a lot of different body parts, so I'm going to go over some of the external features, that means outside body parts, of the octopus, and then I'm going to tell you a couple of cool facts. Okay? So the octopus has 8 arms. Remember last week we talked about the crab, it has 10 arms, the octopus has 8, and each arm or tentacle has suction cups on it. So the suction cups are what helps the octopus grip onto things. It can climb onto rocks, it can break open prey, it can grab fish with its suction cups. Okay? It also has something kind of weird that sticks out near its head. It's called a siphon. So remember pH makes the F sound. So the siphon basically pulls in ocean water and then pushes it out, and it kind of acts like a little motor. So the siphon helps the octopus swim. Right? Something else that's really kind of weird about an octopus is that they have a beak. Now when you hear the word beak, you think of a bird maybe, but an octopus has a little beak and it's inside of its head here, and what it does is it grabs a fish, it pulls the fish or the crab in, and it can crush it with its beak. The beak is actually kind of hard. And so it has its head here, and the head is here, and the eye and the siphon, but up here, this whole big area, the biggest part of his head is called the mantle. And the mantle is where all of the organs are. So the heart, his gills, all of the vessels, everything, its digestive system, it's all in the mantle. So think of it, all your organs, like how we have it all in our core of our body. This is the same for the octopus. All the organs are all grouped together right there in the mantle. Okay, so it's got an eye, a head, a mantle, suction cups on its 8 arms, and a beak. So some kind of cool facts about an octopus are that it has no skeleton. So remember we talked about the crab and we talked about how it has an exoskeleton, or a skeleton on the outside of its body. The octopus has no skeleton. And this is kind of a cool feature because an octopus can squeeze itself into the cracks of rocks to get away from predators. It's really, really intelligent. So they are smart. They've shown how they can put an octopus in a jar and seal the lid on it, and the octopus will take its tentacles and figure out how to get the top of the jar off. So they're very smart animals. Something that they do to get away from predators is they will expel ink. So if something's coming up to eat it, it'll spray out all of this black ink, and then the predator, if it's like a shark or a big fish that's trying to eat it, it'll spray out this ink, and then the fish or the shark will say, "Where did it go?" And then the octopus will swim away really quick. So it's pretty neat that they expel ink. Another thing that they do to survive is they camouflage themselves. So an octopus can go hide on a rock and it will change the color of its skin so that it blends in or camouflages to look like the rock or the ocean floor. It's really neat how it can constantly change its skin color like that. So it's a pretty cool animal. I hope you enjoy some of the videos, and I hope you have fun learning about it.